Welcome back to the shop. So here's the situation we got here. You can't see anything in there. I got a flashlight. So I don't know if you remember this a while back, I said I'm not going to be surprised if that leaks. Well, surprise, it leaks. And actually I don't think it's the fitting so much as it's the old line is pitted and just not in very good shape. So I have purchased brand new feller here, shiny new boy, and somewhere, I think it's in the truck, I'll have to let that back down again, of course. I have a high pressure compression fitting for that to go to the power steering pump, and that should alleviate my leaks. So I guess we'll see how this goes. All right, so get your little bird's eye view here. Actually in there, and I don't think that it's leaking at this point in time. Of course, the new line is bigger than 3/8, which is what the old line was. So I had plenty of sanding and filing and all kinds of stuff to do. So honestly, if that still leaks, it wouldn't surprise me. I'm gonna have to, I guess there's some company, I think it's FabBot maybe, is starting to develop adapter fittings to go out of that factory Colorado steering rack into like an AN style fitting. And I'm just gonna have to end up waiting until they come out with something if this still leaks. Even if it doesn't leak, I think I may go that route once it's, once it's out. So Other than that, everything's looking pretty decent. This front brake I don't think is doing a whole lot as far as stopping. So I might try to bleed that a little more. That or this caliper's froze up, one of the two. But yeah. We got this baby tacked up. This is gonna be very interesting. I've never done this before, obviously, so a lot of learning, a lot of definitely plenty of practice on this piece of tubing. That's for sure. I think a buddy of mine is really a very good TIG welder. He does it for a living, and I think he said something about each one of these sections at a 4-inch pipe is about 12 inches. So, I mean, we got 14 pieces here, so roughly 14 feet worth of welding. Yeah, should be good. So we've got a roll pan to put on this old girl. Got dent to try and pop out here. Another one here. Somebody must have backed into something, or I don't know. But got to pull. Hopefully, we'll see. I don't know. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up just cutting this here. Probably should just do that to begin with and be done with it. But I am gonna try and get those bolts out and try to slide this whole works out of here, but chances are it's just getting cut. So yeah, let's check back in. So, this thing lives in the rust belt. We'll see, maybe. We'll knock this thing off the lift. I think he's gonna come out of here. Ah, I get it in the basket. Oh, no way. Look at that. Weighs quite a bit. You can go right to the scrap pile. Now, take you in for some inspection here. This is not so good. I have a feeling that the roll pan is not going to appreciate what we got going there.